यूरिया में 2 अमाइनो एसिड्स लगते हैं, यूरिया ए, रिमेंबर यूरिया में ए आर्जिनिन प्लस एस्पार्टेट, ओके, आर्जिनिन प्लस एस्पार्टेट लगता है। क्रिएट क्रिएटिनिन, क्रिएट मैग रिजल्ट्स, उसमें भी arginine आता है, right? So remember, arginine is common to all of this. Okay, arginine is common to all of this. Nitric oxide is arginine. ठीक है? Nitric oxide acts via which secondary messenger? Second messenger कौन सा है नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड के लिए? सेकेंड मैसेंजर कौन सा है नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड? रिमेंबर, इट इज साइक्लिक जीएमपी, गाने। जीएमपी के लिए इट इज atrial natriuretic peptide, nitric oxide, EDRF, it is cyclic GMP, very, very important. Substrate linking Krebs cycle and urea cycle is fumarate, right? So if you look at the cycle here, this is the urea cycle, this is the TCA cycle, linking them is fumarate. Arginosuccinate and urea cycle generates fumarate, and then this fumarate enters the TCA cycle. यूरिया साइकिल में 4 एटीपी यूज होते हैं, क्रेब्स साइकिल में 12 एटीपी प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, ठीक है? लुक एट द यूरिया साइकिल, there is arginine and aspartate, AA, which is coming in here, okay, AA, which is coming in here. So it is fumarate, connecting the two is fumarate. Thalamus acts as a relay station for all sensory pathways, except, you know that thalamus is the main sensory relay, बट नॉट फॉर ऑल्फैक्ट्री। ऑल्फैक्ट्री डायरेक्ट जाता है कॉर्टेक्स में, ठीक है, थैलेमस से रिले नहीं होता है। विजुअल वाला कहां से रिले होता है थैलेमस में? रिमेंबर, विजुअल लाइट इज लैटरल जेनिकुलेट बॉडी, ऑडिटरी म्यूजिक इज मीडियल जेनिकुलेट बॉडी, एंड गस्टेटरी वाला कौन से न्यूक्लियस में से जाता है थैलेमस में से? गस्टेटरी वाला कौन से न्यूक्लियस में से जाता है? रिमेंबर, माउथ वाला, ये जो हमने निमोनिक बताया था, VPM एंड VPL, फॉर द फेस माउथ वाला इट इज गोइंग टू बी VPM न्यूक्लियस, वेंट्रल पोस्टेरोमीडियल, ओके, वेरी गुड श्वेता, करेक्ट, दैट इज VPM फॉर द गस्टेटरी, ठीक है? What nucleus of thalamus is a part of Papez circuit? Papez mama, in the front, anterior, in the front is anterior nucleus of thalamus is a part of the Papez circuit, okay, anterior nucleus of thalamus. Next one, all are tributaries of coronary sinus. Remember the ordinal scale, great, middle, small. So great cardiac vein, middle cardiac vein, small cardiac vein. So great, middle and small, they go to coronary sinus, but not the anterior cardiac vein. Anterior cardiac vein directly goes into right atrium, okay, it directly goes into right atrium. Coronary sinus finally drains into, coronary sinus भी तो finally कहाँ drain कर रहा है? Right atrium. All the venous return here is going to the right atrium. So great, middle, small, that go into the coronary sinus, not the anterior cardiac vein. What is Dukoral? Dukoral is a vaccine for cholera, okay, plus also for the traveler's diarrhea, that's basically your ETEC, traveler's diarrhea, TT ETEC वाला. So cholera or ETEC, traveler's diarrhea prevent करने के लिए this is a oral vaccine, or oral vaccine for cholera, okay. Dukoral is for cholera and traveler's diarrhea. Next one, coming to the last 5-6 questions. Most sensitive index of recent malaria transmission is somebody who has come into the world only recently. So if I see that the infant has the parasite, that means this is recent transmission. क्योंकि infant ही recent आया है दुनिया में, so that means it's a recent transmission. So remember, infant parasite is what is the recent transmission. Remember, under the malaria program, the states are divided based on API. Okay, the states are divided based on API. Killing power of a disease, the term itself tells you killing, matlab fatalities. Okay, so killing power of a disease is given by case fatality rate. Easy, killing matlab fatal. So case fatality rate is what tells you killing power. What disease has 100% case fatality rate? Remember, rabies has 100% CFR. Case fatality is 100% with rabies. All of the following are features of Felty syndrome, except Felty syndrome is something which is seen in rheumatoid arthritis along with splenomegaly. Now imagine that splenomegaly which is happening, it is eating up all the blood cells. So there is anemia, there is neutropenia, there is thrombocytopenia, right? There's leukopenia, not leukocytosis. So leukopenia is there, leukocytosis is not there. Okay, leukocytosis is not there. Okay, so remember it's arthritis with splenomegaly, and plus there's, you can remember it is Felty syndrome is like CENTA. There is splenomegaly, arthritis, neutropenia, thrombocytopenia, and anemia. There are all the penias which are here. There is no cytosis which is here. Okay. And what is the Kaplan syndrome? What is Kaplan syndrome? What is Kaplan syndrome? Yes, what is Kaplan syndrome? Kaplan syndrome is rheumatoid arthritis plus pneumoconiosis. That means the lung is affected. There are cavities or nodules in the lungs. That is what is Kaplan syndrome. Okay, yeah, pneumoconiosis. So Kaplan is pulmonary arthritis, A plus PL, arthritis plus pulmonary. That is what is Kaplan syndrome. Okay. Next one, SIADH typically causes hypernatremia or hyponatremia. So there is syndrome of inappropriate ADH. That means the ADH is increased. There is more of antidiuresis happening. So there is increased fluid which is happening. It's like a lot of fluid which is accumulating in the body. So there is hyponatremia. Okay, remember there's hyponatremia, but this is called as euvolemic hyponatremia. So there's no hypernatremia, no hyponatremia. It is euvolemic hyponatremia. So there is no water going in the urine. Everything is in the body. So how is the urine? Concentrated. The osmolality is more. Okay, the osmolality is more. So remember, there is increased serum osmolality plus there is hyponatremia in SIADH, and that's the very reason you use hypertonic saline in the treatment. है ना, saline सोडियम नहीं है बॉडी में, इसीलिए हम हाइपोटोनिक saline यूज करते हैं इसके ट्रीटमेंट में. ठीक है, so remember it's hyponatremia, not hypernatremia, and it is called euvolemic hyponatremia. High anion gap acidosis is seen in all of the following except, always remember, renal tubular acidosis, NAGMA, normal anion gap metabolic metabolic acidosis is seen with DD, NAGMA DD, diarrhea, GI diarrhea, and renal diarrhea, that is renal tubular acidosis. Always remember NAGMA DD. So diarrhea, GI diarrhea, renal diarrhea, that is RTA, that is what causes normal anion gap acidosis. And where do you have hyperkalemia? Potassium more in type 4. Okay, potassium more in type 4. 4 has hyperkalemia, rest of the 2 have hypokalemia. Okay, very, very important. Coming to the last question, Litter's hernia contains what? Litters contains little child में जो दिखता है वो वाला content. Little child में मतलब जो congenital वाला है, that is Meckel's diverticulum. Okay, Meckel's diverticulum. So litter contains Meckel's. Litter is little child wala, Meckel's diverticulum. Okay, so there is this one video of the named hernia also in surgery surplus. You can watch that as well.